It's time to shift your expectation into a higher gear, because the Volkswagen Jetta is here to give you more for less. In a sea of sedan sameness, the detailing on the Jetta stands out. As inspiring to look at as it is to drive, Volkswagen is putting their best fascia forward with the Jetta. Stylishly designed LED daytime running lights enhance the sleek front end. The available VTEX leatherette seating surfaces are comfortable, stylish, and easy to maintain. Plus, you can be confident you have a stylish, inspired look with the available split 5-spoke 17-inch alloy wheels. The Jetta is proof that, as Volkswagen likes to say, fun follows function.